So we started off the week with this Dell Optiplex 7020. Thunderstorm hit, and although it was on a surge protector, the power supply blew. So I put a new one in it. This is actually the bad one, and it didn't turn on. So the motherboard was fried. So customer opted to scrap it. I pulled his data, copied it over this morning. This MSI laptop is a warranty job. Keyboard no longer works, and now as of today it doesn't turn on. The next computer is this Vizio All-in-One, and this connects to it. It's a speaker, and this was Windows would not boot. It was stuck in a repair loop, and I told the customer pulling off the rear of the computer would take some time, so he said forget it, just reinstall Windows. So we got that running this morning. We have here Dell XPS 13, and basically Windows stuck in a repair loop, could not fix it, pulled the drive, manually saved the data to backup external 4 terabyte, reloaded Windows, copied the data back over. That took a lot of time. Dell XPS 13, brand new, $2,400 computer. I love it. These are extremely nice. What I don't like is the touchpad. This is all one piece right here. Very smooth. You can't see the glare, but it's all one piece, so you can't actually feel with your fingertips where the pad ends and the palm rest begins. So I don't know, I find that very frustrating, but super nice. What's crazy is that it came with a 512 gig NVMe drive. That is insane. At the absolute minimum, it should be 1 terabyte, but we're going with 2 terabytes. I just ordered it. Drive will be in Saturday.